This is the 4th in-person event that we've hosted. And I think the thing that's really special for me about this event is the way it brings young people together from all over the island of Ireland. And it's a really special thing for me to see young people from all over our island coming together with a shared interest and something in common that allows them to bond so quickly and to make friends so quickly because they have this common love and interest in learning new things and trying new things and not being afraid to give things a go.
We've got an absolute wonderful group of young people who are super enthusiastic about everything that we do. It's just lovely to see them working hard, but also, which is probably the most important thing for me, is having fun, making friends, some of which are repeat friends from last year. They've made this journey a number of times over the years, and just reconnecting. We are so far away, the group in Derry are, hundreds of kilometres away from the group in Galway, the group in Cloughjordan. So I think it's important for them to maintain those connections and show what skills they have and what they can learn from each of the organisations that are travelling to the Irish Youth Circus Gathering. It's a great opportunity. If you're thinking it's not for you, think again, it is for you. Visit the wonderful Cloughjordan. What a wonderful and just a beautiful rural village in County Tipperary.
It's really good because I get to have loads of opportunities to learn skills that I would usually do with people that would specialise in certain skills. I definitely gained a good few new friends and loads of new skills. I feel like I've really improved on some things that I was maybe okay at but kind of iffy on. My favourite was probably Diablo because I really like Grant Goldie. He's really good. He looks like he's flowing with the whole movement. It's really cool.
Such a great opportunity for our kids to come and take part in this. It's a highlight of their year. Every year they're all so excited to come down and also work with some of the best trainers from across Ireland. In fact, probably the best trainers. So they get so much out of it, as well as building their confidence and their self-esteem. It's such a unique village. You feel so welcome. There's banners up as you arrive and everybody you see in the streets chatting to you, about Circus and about everything that the Cloughjordan Circus Club does here. And Joe and the team just do such a fabulous job of making sure everyone knows where they're going, when they're going there. The food's great, the accommodation's great. Just everything about the experience is so special for the kids and makes everybody feel so warm and welcome as soon as they arrive.
Cloughjordan's been amazing. Just all the different workshops, it's been really good. Probably just being able to meet everybody from everywhere. That's definitely my favourite part. I've learned a lot of stuff here. Like clowning, I've never done clowning before, but now I've done clowning, so I can say that now. It's something different that not everybody gets to experience, so I'm very fortunate about that. It's amazing. Come to the youth circus gathering, it'll be extraordinary.